YouTube! We are back for part 2 of our crazy wavy curved piecing quilt. And what I've done is I had to trim everything down to the lowest common denominator. That turned out to be 8-inch wide by 10.5. So I cut a 3-inch strip of black and I'm sewing it on the skinny end of every block, and we will get like a twisting effect when we put them up on the design board. So I have 24 blocks made and I have 24 strips of black here. Then I have another stack here should I need to make more. I don't know how much this is going to shrink up. I don't feel like doing the math.
What's 6 take away 1?
So that's the way the blocks are going to look, and I will get to sewing and I'll chain piece this pile and we will be done, and I'll get it up on the design board. So I'm just doing something very simple. I'm just taking this 3-inch strip of black, putting it on the skinny end of the block and doing a 1/4-inch seam. Nothing spectacular, nothing difficult. It has been another gray day. It's finally getting a little bit chilly out. But it has rained all week. Luckily it hasn't been cold enough to make ice, because me and ice don't get along. Okay, you don't need to watch this. It's rather boring. So I'll come back when I'm done and I'll put the blocks up on the design wall. Yay, it's all done. It's right behind me on the wall. We did 5 by 6 layout, so there's 5 blocks across and 6 down, total of 30 blocks. And I have some pinwheels going on here. Alternatively, you could try doing diagonal lines with the black. You could be doing a zigzag with the black. You could do all sorts of fun things, and I might even try that. Let's go over there and take a look at this. If we did a zigzag, okay, that would give us a zigzag, and I kind of like that too. So it's completely up to you what you do with this and how you lay this out. I do like that zigzag. I think that adds a lot of movement, but I do like the pinwheels too. So it's a toss-up. I don't know which layout I'm going to choose. Hello there, YouTube. I thought I would just jump back in here and show you the finished quilt top. I ended up having to take out my old featherweight again, so I pieced the top on that. My Bernina decided it didn't want to work again, so yeah, I'm liking those old machines more and more. But here we are. It is, let's see, they are 10 inches. It's 50-inch by 60-inch, and I'm probably going to take a 2.5-inch strip of black. This Riley Blake solid black is so nice. I'm going to take 2.5-inch strips, I believe, and do one border just around them, and then the binding. But here it is in all its loveliness. It was so easy to do. Please don't be afraid of curves. Don't be afraid. They are so lovely. So much fun, a nice challenge. I do have a ton of quilt tops that desperately need to be quilted, and I have a massive roll of batting. That big gray thing over there is 96 feet of batting that I got from Walmart, and I'm going to clear off the guest bed and start layering, and we'll be back to quilt that one as well as a lot of the charity quilts. I'd like to have, I don't know if I have 8 yet, but I would like to be able to deliver 8 to the chemo ward and hope that I can get another 8 done. This way they can swap it out. They have 8 chairs. So that way there's always one available while the other is getting washed. I'm kind of hoping that, maybe when that patient gets their last treatment, maybe they can pick one of the quilts that they like and take it home with them. So there it is in all of its glory. I absolutely love the colors. I love the black zigzag. I think the quilt top really turned out quite well, even though I had problems with my sewing machine. But oh my. Look at those colors. Look at the movement. It's so happy. I think it's a beautiful quilt, and I think that someone's really going to like it. So I want to thank you all so much for coming along on this journey with me. I want to thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please do subscribe to my channel, and I do hope you will drop back by often and watch my new episodes. I'm not sure what we're doing next, but we'll let the wind give me a direction. So on that note, thank you so much again for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you have a blessed week. God bless.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, John Boy.